Just a point on public awareness.
Sorry for that very long
sir.
answer.
Thank you for clarification. Just a follow-up question for public awareness. Are you likely to extend the deadline of 15 March for Paytm Wallet just because of the kind of accounts and the pure size it has?
You see, initially when we gave a time of about a month, 31st January, we issued these orders and we gave time up to end of February, which were 29th February. So we had made an assessment and we, our understanding was that it will take about 30 days, for the whole thing to stabilize. Then we issued a FAQ, as I mentioned in the Monetary Policy Day. We issued an FAQ, I think sometime around 16th, in the middle of February. So therefore, we thought since the FAQ is being issued in the middle of February, giving clarity on a number of issues, number of questions which we had received. So we thought it is again appropriate to give one more month of time. In our assessment, the time given up to 15th February is sufficient.
15th March.
Sorry, 15th March, I'm sorry. Up to 15th March is sufficient because, you see, if you take into account the total number of, users of the Paytm, you are referring to the Paytm payment,
yes.
the wallet,
yes.
the payment app.
Yes.
Now, each payment app or wallet is linked to a bank account. Every, payment app, whether you are, Paytm app or any other app, or the wallet is linked to a bank account. So far as Paytm is concerned, large part of their, large part of the users of the Paytm payment app, almost to the extent of about 80 to 85%, they are linked to other banks along with Paytm Bank or to entirely different banks. So therefore, about 80 to 85% of the customers who are using the Paytm payment app will not be impacted at all because their app is also linked to another bank account of theirs. So therefore, their payments can go on in a non-disruptive manner. The challenge is with regard to those 15 or 20% of the users who have linkage only with a bank account in the Paytm payment bank. There we have advised the company, that is the Paytm payment bank has been advised to sort of shift these customers to other banks. Other banks are also proactively onboarding customers, and NPCI has also been sort of working closely with the various banks. So customers are now sort of who are exclusively dependent on payment bank, 15 to 20% of the customers, they are getting onboarded to other banks. So therefore, I don't foresee a problem beyond 15th March, and through your channel I would like to सबको मैं आप हिंदी में भी बोल देता हूँ, I would like to appeal to everybody, मैं सबको सब यूजर्स को ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि 15 मार्च से पहले आप दूसरे कोई बैंक में आपका जो Paytm ऐप है उसको लिंक कर लीजिए. If you have a payment app, Paytm payment app linked to only Paytm payment bank, please link it to another bank account of yours in some other bank, so that आपका जो Paytm payment bank है, Paytm payment app है, वो non disruptively आप उसको use कर सकते हैं.
But when do you think